All right, guys, here we go. Here's Italy turn 4. Italy had 42 to spin. They're going to buy 6 tanks and 2 infantry. I've got 1 combat to declare, and it's for Iraq. I'm going to take a mech and a tank. I'm going to para 2 infantry. And then 2 fighters are going to fly over. That is the only combat. We can go ahead and roll it. All right. I've got 3 at 3 and 3 at 1 against your 1 at 2. Not a single thing hit, so we'll just roll it again. I got you there. All right, so Italy goes up 2, UK goes down 2. All right, so they're in there. So for non-combat, all the Italians that are in Cairo are going to move over to Transjordan. The 2 fighters will land in Transjordan. The air transport went 1-2. He has 4 remaining. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 and land in Rome. The infantry artillery AA gun in Bessarabia will move back to Romania. Yeah, that's fine. The infantry artillery in Casablanca will move back to Morocco. Transport 95 is going to go 1, pick up the infantry artillery, come right back, drop off in northern Italy. The battleship cruiser will come to 95. Out of northern Italy, I'm going to rail 2 infantry and an AA gun to Normandy. The 3 tanks in northern Italy will go to Normandy, and the 2 infantry will rail to Normandy. The tank that is in southern Italy will move 2 to Paris. Infantry and the AA gun in southern Italy will just move to northern Italy. Put new units on. 6 tanks go down in northern Italy. 2 infantry go down in Rome. All right, that's it. Nothing too crazy. I've got Italy at 21 on the tracker, plus there's 26, 31, 32, that's 32, then Iraq would be 34, and then 39 for that. All right, so Italy will collect 39. Here's a quick disposition. Morocco, infantry artillery. Normandy, Bordeaux, 4 infantry, an AA gun, 3 tanks. France, a tank. Northern Italy, 2 infantry, an artillery, 6 tanks, an AA gun. In Season 95, I've got a battleship, cruiser, destroyer, transport. In Rome, I have a strat bomber and 2 infantry, or I guess an air transport, 2 infantry. In Romania, I have an infantry, artillery, and an AA gun. In Transjordan, I have an AA gun, 2 fighters, 5 infantry, and 2 artillery. In Iraq, I have 2 infantry, a tank, and a mech. All right, that's it for Italy. I'll hand it over to Commonwealth.